Awesome!
Rip it. Rip it.
I got the little one. Where's my cat?
That's awesome.
You got the one I wanted.
See what else he brought you.
Rip it.
Whoa.
Oh.
La Loopsy purse, huh?
So you want to see what's in there? What's in here?
There's stuff in your stocking too, Hannah.
Another Lala Lucy.
You got two? Oh my gosh! That is so cool! Connor likes Hannah's Barbie car. Oh my gosh. That's funny. The Lion King, no way! I think that probably is for all of you guys, huh?
Yeah.
It's a boy one. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to Connor.
You-
Here, Connor. Look.
It's for you, Hannah.
But I think I'll give it to Connor.
Oh, okay.
There's another green one. Last green one.
And there's something in your stocking. What's in there, buddy?
What's in here? Look. What's in there? Look. What's in there? Reach in there.
Wait. Connor, wait.
Reach in there.
There's stuff in here.
Oh, that's for Jack. Santa brought Jack something too.
That's Jack's.
Jack's not quite awake yet.
Yours is the red one.
Jack.
Yeah, Jack's sleeping.
Yeah. Yeah, Jack. Trying to jump it out.
What is it, Connor?
Another Fin toy.
Awesome! So now your Fin-Fins have friends. Now your La Loopsy dolls have friends.
They have lots of friends.
Did you like that color explosion thing? The color, you got two of those this year. They're different, but they're the same.
Cars too.